Hello friends, good morning and welcome to my channel Suneel at Digital. Today I have got one topic on CICD and that is continuous integration and continuous deployment or delivery. Okay. Let's take one use case. Okay. Let's say we have one developer and he is building his code. Okay. Now once he developed the code, he will push his code or like changes into the repository. Okay, and now there will be one pull request and that will merge that code into a main branch, right? So we can say now whatever the code is developed by the developer, that is available into the repository. Okay, after that, that source code whatever the developer has created, okay, that is converted into the build. Now what is build? Build is nothing but it is the executable source code and that is ready to use by any computer. That is the build actually. Okay, build can be created using some technologies like Maven is one of them. Okay, after that the build is tested. Okay, how we can test that? So there are some tools available like Selenium. Okay, we can run some test cases and that can test the build. After the build is tested, then this build is stored into some repositories. So those repositories like Nexus repositories. Okay, so it stores the basically the software artifact. Okay, the build is nothing, it's kind of it's a standalone software artifact. Okay, now this is stored into the Nexus repository. Now this entire process, from build to building a repository, right? This comes under the continuous integration. Okay, this can also be done using one technology automatically using Jenkins. So Jenkins is one of the technology, and also we can use the GitLab as well. GitLab can also perform the continuous integration and Jenkins as well. Now, once we have the code into the build repository, right? That is by default environment is dev actually, and that is deployed to the dev environment. After that, from dev environment, it is deployed to the UAT environment, and then that is deployed to prod environment. Okay. So this is the continuous deployment. Now the difference in continuous deployment and the delivery is, in continuous deployment, there are some manual triggers, there, right? So we need to triggers, manually while we deploy the code into the prod environment. But in case of continuous delivery, everything is automated, there is no manual intervention here. So whatever the code has generated, that will be deployed to the prod automatically, So that is the continuous delivery and that is automated. And that's what, we go with the continuous delivery option because we do not need to, put the human effort there. Manual triggers we do not need to apply. So this is the continuous deployment or the delivery process. This entire thing can also be achieved using Jenkins and the GitLab as well. There are other technologies as well available in the market that can achieve this continuous integration and the continuous deployment. Now, there is one more catch here. Whenever we have done this, right, there is always a scope for continuous monitoring and the feedback. So let's say, we found something, wrong in build phase or maybe test phase. We can always monitor this and we can give the feedback to the developer so that he can, make the changes and again he can commit his changes and again this process will keep on going. So that's how this CI/CD pipeline works. I hope this is pretty much clear, guys, and if you like my video then please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys and have a great day.